Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your password in Amazon Chime. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, before starting the video, you must know that there is no option in Amazon Chime to change your password after creating an account. You can simply tap on the settings option and find that there is no suitable option to do so. So you can only reset your password by tapping on the sign out button, and once the sign out button is clicked, you will be signed out of your account, and once you need to re-log in, you need to tap on the forgot password option to reset your password of Chime. Due to privacy issues, it has not been shown. However, you can find the forgot password above your email section. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.